So this was the term now. We were given that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse was given to us as 8.8. And this angle was, theta was given to us as 24 degrees. So I'm just filling the value of theta over here. So this angle is 90 degrees. So if I have to find this angle, we can easily do that now. So we know that 90 plus 24. So this would be 90 plus 24, which gives me 114. So the angle over there would be 180 minus 114, which would give me the value as 66 degrees. So now we know that this last angle as well. So this is 66 degrees. So after this angle being known to us, now I can solve any part now. So let's say if this is the base and this is the perpendicular, so it now totally depends upon me that what kind of ratio, what kind of side and angle if I want to use. So if this is the base and this angle is 66 degrees. So just remember that. What is the meaning of base? Base doesn't mean horizontal actually. Base means the angle which is associated with it. So if I am taking, just remember this logic, and it is very important now, because if this angle is 24 degrees, so let's say if I'll use my formula, let's say if I'll use P divided by 8.8. This P divided by 8.8 would be equal to cos 24 degrees. This is very important, because if I take this angle, then this would act as the base of this triangle. So the base is the side which is actually touching that angle. The angle being directly involved with that side. So this is the base. If I directly apply the formula P divided by 8.8, so it would be cos 24 degrees. Now this is very important. It wouldn't be sine 24 degrees, it would be cos 24 degrees. So either I'll write P upon 8.8 as cos 24 degree, that is correct. Or I will write, because now I have found this angle as well, or I will write this as sine 66 degrees. So I've just written this as sine 66 degrees, but cos 24 degrees was equally good, and this is very important to know. So P is equal to 8.8 multiplying with this sine 66 degrees. So now my task is simply to find the value of sine 66 degrees, which you can do easily. So that would be equal to 0.913. I'm multiplying this, so this would be equal to this multiplying with 0.913. It would be sine 66 degrees. So it would give me 0.913, and so on. So I'm just multiplying this with 8.8. So my answer is 8.03. 8.03 meters. This is the length of this side P. So now comes the base P. So B upon this 8.8 would be equal to cos 66 degree. And if I use the other angle, then it would be sine 24 degree. Now this is very important. It would be sine 24 degrees. So B is equal to, so just remember that we can now find the value of this B either by using Pythagoras theorem. So we have two ways to actually find the value of this base now. We can either use straightforward Pythagoras theorem, because we already know two sides of this right angle triangle. So B square is directly equal to 8.8 square minus 8.03 whole square. So we know that we can easily find the value of this B either by using Pythagoras theorem, or we can simply find the value of this B using straightforward the formula of cos. So B upon this 8.8 would be equal to cos 66 degrees now, straightforward. So B is equal to 8.8 multiplying with this cos 66. So now to find the value of this cos 66, which is 0.406. So if I multiply this with 8.8, my answer is 3.579, which if I round off it would be 3.58 meters. So this is my complete solution of this triangle. So we have found the remaining sides and the angle that was left. So in today's class we have learnt 3 new trigonometric ratios which we have seen were simply the reciprocal of the trigonometric ratios that were already known to us. And then we have jumped directly to actually solving triangles, which is the main task. So just go through this basic understanding which we have done today, and in the next class we'll take this one step further. Take care, all the best, bye.